everyone, welcome to another video. So I'm your host Chuubibi. I am a illustrator here on Instagram and YouTube, and I'll be showing you guys how to do a simple drawing with Ardenfly's watercolor set. So Ardenfly was super duper lovely and they sent me their 72 watercolor set, and I'll be talking to you guys about how I choose colors and how I create compositions which look appealing and relaxing to the eyes. So for today's drawing, I have decided to do a little creature. So this creature is very anonymous, it's genderless, and it's just very unknown. And that way it gives me a lot of room to play around with colors, compositions, shapes and stuff like that. Okay, so for tip number 1, make sure that you have colors which complement each other as well as ones which pop out. So for this composition, I've decided to make colors which work together to be the sky and the landscape. So you can see this through the sky, so that's going to be blue. And then you can also see this through green, which is shown in the landscape. So by doing so, it will create a sense of harmony as well as a sense of cool and relaxing tone. That is because green and blue, in particular the ones that I've used from this palette, are very cool. They're very relaxing, cool, and not as energetic. To make the painting more interesting and contrast that, attention will be brought to the white and clean aspects throughout the painting. So you can see this through the white clouds as well as the whiteness of the creature and the bunny rabbit. So in this painting, the white color would be, I guess, the semi-energetic tone. And then, to make things more interesting, I added little bits of pink and red. So these areas are the areas of attention and interest. So red is a very, very warm, energetic, stark, and strong, bold color. So in the painting, that would be the first thing that you will see. Okay, now moving on to some extra tips. When it comes to watercolor painting, I realized that sometimes using very harsh dark lines can be very intense and strong. So instead of using dark lines like that, you can use color pencils. So right now you can see that I am just casually shading in bits of the painting as well as adding little details. But if you do choose to do strong bold line art or dark line art, a simple way to make it not as intense is to use a super fine line. So in this video, I used the Ardenfly fine liners in their black, in their 0.1. So by using the smallest possible size for the pen, it will make detailing a lot more easier and it will not add too much strength and intensity to the line art. That way the drawing will look more subtle and it will essentially come together a little more nicely and softly. Okay, so thank you guys so much for joining me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it super helpful. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!